Ain't no chance we were throwing those away. We're gonna pickle them.
Okay, hello everybody. I'm gonna try and keep this short and sweet. Remember the stems we saved back in the collard greens video?
We're gonna save these for later.
Get those out. We're gonna make some pickled stems. FYI, this works for kale stems, collard stems, chard stems, literally any vegetable you want should work. Not only does this reduce food waste, I think it's quite delicious. So here we go. Here are the items you need. A jar with a lid, a pot or saucepan, stems, white vinegar, salt, water, and some flavors and seasonings. Whatever you want. On to the steps. First, fill the jar halfway with vinegar. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt per cup of vinegar. You can use a measuring cup or just eyeball it, it's not too critical. Then fill the rest of the jar with water. Once it's in there, mix it up a bit and pour the entire jar into a saucepan. Then turn the heat on and bring that to a boil. While that's heating up, fill the jar with stems and seasonings. Once the solution is boiling, pour it back into the jar. And fill it up all the way. Now let it sit out and allow the liquid to cool to room temperature. You need to let it sit to cook the stems. Once it's cooled, seal the jar and refrigerate. After a day or two, it's had enough time to marinate, so go ahead and enjoy. They'll stay good in your fridge about a month or so, and they'll only get tastier with time. So there you have it, a delicious and nutritious snack made of a commonly discarded part of the plant. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thanks for reducing food waste with me, and thanks for watching. Peace.